Hey there. I'm going to go through how to do the movement activity assignment, just because it seems to cause a bit of confusion, which I get because it's actually one assignment that involves a couple of other assignments. So I'm going to go to that assignment now. So I'm just in the wellness course. I'll go down to lessons, activity sections. Okay. Do, 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 do. And then it talks a little bit about the cardio resistance, all that sort of stuff. And then I'll go down here to movement activity. Okay. So the best place to start with this movement activity assignment is right here with this video. And it does have to do with movement activity. More specifically, though, it has to do with the skill analysis process, which is an assignment that you do as a part of the movement activity assignment. So watch this video and it'll explain how to do the skill analysis. Skill analysis is basically just breaking down any skill, in this case, a physical activity skill, into five different phases. So I can't remember. I think it's either a tennis player or a golfer in this video. And so if you think golf, when you pull your club back, that's going to be the first phase. I'll just go to the worksheets. Down here underneath the video or where you'll find the worksheets. And I'll just click on the skill analysis worksheet. So again, here's those five phases, and it actually gives some names. For each phase, you say what the skill should look like, what the skill did look like, and then you say what you could do to improve this phase of the skill. So you're going to pick two skills that you are going to work on. And for each of those skills, you'll take a video of you doing the skill, and then you start your analysis. So with the video playing on your computer, you'll look at phase one. So whatever your preliminary movement is, and you'll say what that skill should look like, what it actually looked like when you did it, and then what you could do to improve on that phase of the skill. So you take a skill, you take a video of it, and then you break it down into these five parts and you fill out the rest of this sheet. There's also some reflection questions at the bottom. You do this for two separate skills. Now, I'm just going to go through a few examples of what a skill might be. So, I talked about a golfer. Um, so, obviously, the skill in golfing would be the swing. In baseball, it could be the swinging the bat. It could be throwing the ball. But I've also had people do skills in skateboarding, skills in walking. Somebody did this for yoga. I have one student that is into rodeo competition. She did it for lasso work. So honestly, any physical activity can be broken into these five phases. So you need to pick two skills that you're going to analyze. I'll go back to this assignment now. For each of those two skills that you analyzed, you're also going to come up with three drills. So you have two skills for each one. So you're going to have six drills altogether. I'll just open that worksheet. So for the drill assignment, you have to submit a diagram or original video of the drills that you're doing to improve those skills. So most people just do a video because that's the easiest way to do it. So you just do your drill, whatever it is, what your activity is that you're doing to improve your skills, and you just take a video of it. But you can also use a diagram. And if you're interested in that, I've got an interesting example of a student who handed in the diagram. I can send that to you if you're interested. And that's also a very effective way to do this assignment is just with drawings. And something I always say, it's not art class. Stick people are just fine. Okay, let's go back to that assignment now. So we started off talking about the movement activity assignment. After you've chosen your two skills, you've analyzed your two skills, you've developed your drills, time that you spend on those skills and drills are what you use to build up your 20 hours of movement activity. So if you're, for example, let's go back to the golfing one. If you're working on your swing and you go out for 20 minutes a day to work on your swing, that would count towards your 20 hours of activity. Once you're done your 20 hours, you hand in your movement activity worksheet. You hand it in your activity analysis or your skill analysis and your drills, and then you're actually done 3 assignments. If you have any questions, please contact me.